Hi guys, this is Matt's Mobile Edits. Hope you're having a good day. On today's video I'm going to do some basic edits to make this picture really pop. Right now it's looking a bit bland and boring. First of all, let's open the Tools menu and go to Tune Image. I'm going to bring the brightness up a little bit, the contrast also up, saturation up, ambience up, highlights down, shadows up. We'll leave that there. Okay, it's looking better. Next we'll go to Details, bring the structure up. That's nice. We'll make that a little bit sharper. That's good. Okay. Next we'll put a vintage filter on it. Have a look at some of these. Okay, this one's good. Brightness up slightly. Saturation up a bit. Style strength. That's good. Vintage. That's nice there. Okay. Next we'll go to the Layers button, View Edits, Vintage, select Brush option, invert it, and zoom in, just paint over the skin back to its more natural colour. That's good. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Click OK. Go back. Next, Tools, Brush. And just dodging down the areas. Just to lighten it up a little bit. Down the cliffs. And a bit down there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, this is the before and after. As you can see, from small edits, it's made a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like or consider subscribing. Bye for now.